In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does the Amazon affiliate program work. For this video, I'm going to be presenting the Amazon Associates program, how it works, and I'm going to give you the core features and concepts. Keep in mind that I'm not going to be able to go super in depth about how to register for the service, but I'm still going to give you an overview that will help you get started with the program. So, the Amazon Affiliate Program, officially known as Amazon Associates, is a free affiliate marketing program that allows website owners, bloggers, and content creators to earn commissions by promoting products sold on Amazon. It is one of the largest and oldest affiliate programs in the world. So, the core concept is going to be done with referral links. So, as an Amazon associate, it is your job to send traffic from your platform, being a website, social media content, videos, to Amazon. You do this using the formatted links called affiliate links. When you sign up, you will get a unique associate ID. This ID is embedded with every link that you create, allowing Amazon to track any sales that originate from your referral links. So, when a user clicks on the link and proceeds through with the purchase, they will notice that you brought the traffic in, allowing you to get a very small cut from that purchase. So Amazon has a fixed commission rate schedule that varies by product category. Some categories like luxury beauty offer higher commission rates, while others like video games or groceries have much lower rates, for example 1%. In addition to product sales, you earn a fixed bounty fee for getting a customer to sign up for certain services, such as a free trial for Amazon Prime, Audible, or Amazon Business. And since many commission rates are low, making substantial money with the program often requires a high volume of traffic and a strategic approach. It is more about the sheer number of sales rather than a high commission per item. So visit the website at affiliate-program.amazon.com, click on sign up, sign in with your Amazon account, and then you will be able to input your address to get this process done. Like I said before, I'm not going to go super in depth about the sign up process, but it is very intuitive. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you understand the Amazon affiliate program, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.